Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ibukunwa Iweoluwa. You can call me Iweoluwa, and yeah, I film about sewing, DIY, lifestyle videos, and currently I'm planning on including relaxed air videos to it. So if those are the type of content that you'll be interested in, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button now, like right now, and also the notification bell beside it, so you get notified once a new video is up. And I promise it's going to be inspiring, encouraging, motivating, innovative here on this channel, and you definitely don't want to miss all those goodness. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So today's video is actually going to be about a fabric scrap project, and I'm sure you'll have seen that from the thumbnail and the title. It's actually a project that I'm doing just to upcycle my scraps that I've had for some time now. And I actually got the idea. I saw the video on a fellow YouTuber's page as Sophilia Studio on YouTube, and then I loved it and decided to just try it out and recreate it. And I also have some fabric scrap projects that I've done, and I'll also be doing more. So I have the playlist here, right here on the screen. So you can just click it and check it out once you're done with this video. So I have different fabric scrap video projects that I've worked on. So you can just get ideas from there and also recreate them. The materials I'm going to be making use of are, okay, I have my scraps here. And this canvas, okay, let me remove this. I have this canvas that I bought. I have my glue gun that I'm going to be using to glue the fabric to the canvas, and the glue is already inside. Then I have my scissors and my silhouette drawing. So basically you print out silhouettes or whatever drawing you want to use, and if you are very good at drawing, you can also decide to draw it by yourself. So I printed out these three, and I'll be deciding which one to use out of them. So I'll just, this is not going to be a tutorial actually. I'll just show you how I go about it and just play around with things, and yeah, that's going to be it. And by the way, if you like this Scotch Madam Wayne, I actually made it by myself, and I have a video tutorial on it on my channel, and I'm also going to link it right here on the screen, so you should definitely check it out in case you want to recreate it. You can share it to your friends and family, and yeah, let's get creating. And the materials that I just mentioned now, I'm also going to list them down in the description box below, so you can just check them out and you see the list of this, and in case I make use of any other thing in the course of this video, you'll be able to find it there. So this actually is just to end this vlog. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, share this video to your friends, family, drop your comments. Are you going to try it out? What do you like the project? Do you think it's something you can do? And what other ideas do you think one can use for fabric scrap projects? And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.